Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Now tap on your profile icon. Next, tap the three lines, menu, in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account, then choose Deactivate or Delete Account. Now tap on Delete Account. Keep in mind, TikTok gives you about 30 days before your account is permanently deleted. If you log back in during this time, your account will be restored. You'll need to verify your account. And that's it. That's how you permanently delete your TikTok account.